Better health is essential to human happiness and well-being. It also makes an important contribution to economic progress, as healthy population live longer, are more productive and save more. A very good morning to respected teacher and my dear friends. Today, we the members of Group Force will tell you that what is the role of health in economic development of a country. In instrumental terms, health impacts economic growth in a number of ways. For example, reduces production losses due to worker illness, it increases the productivity of adult as a result of better nutrition, and it lowers administrative school rate and improve learning among school children. People are more productive to improve a nation's growth. Having healthy people is what it needs for a country to grow. When people are healthy, the quality of nation is also increased. But not only it increases the economy but also almost all of its quality.
Good health plays a substantial role in economic growth. Health is not only the absence of illness, it is also the ability of people to develop to their potential during their entire lives. Now let us have a look on some positive and negative effects for role of health in countries' development. Health conditions exert a direct impact on economic growth by increasing worker productivity. Only a healthy person can perform to his full potential. A healthy person can contribute to the growth and the development of the economy by doing productive work. A healthy person can do the work in a more effective manner. A healthier workforce enjoys greater physical and mental ability and therefore is able to produce more with the same amount of inputs.
Poor health does not gain anything, instead loses our capability of doing the work we are good at. In addition, productivity loss and lower working capacity resulting from disease and injury often lead to reduced household earnings. Bad health reduce labor market participants and force people for an early retirement.
Let us now discuss some factors through which role of health can be improved. First, investing in education. One of the most important way to improve health in developing country is by educating citizens. Educating people enable them to obtain safer job, increased health literacy, take preventive health care, avoid riskier health behaviors and demand better quality health services. Second, increasing the health benefits for the poor. Poor country receive much lower health benefits than richer country. In developing area, the poor are subjected to high risk of contracting disease and lower access to quality health care. This is due to poor health, cost of medicine, treatments and vaccinations. This can be prevented by the creation of targeted systems.
Promoting primary and essential health care. A way to improve health in developing countries involves government providing cost-effective health packages for everyone. This initiative includes access to quality essential healthcare services and access to safe, effective qualities and affordable essential medicines and vaccines for all. By making availabilities universal, resources can be directed towards primary level facilities of care that strengthen the overall treatment that people will be receiving.
So, throughout the discussion, we have come to the conclusion that health does play a role in economic development. In the long term, growing economies are associated with longer and healthier lives. Throughout history, improved health has been one of the main benefits of development. This benefit results partly from an increase in income and partly from scientific progress in the fight against disease and disability. This second factor is increasingly important when compared to simple economic growth.
Before ending up the speech, I would like everyone to please close their eyes for a while and pray for those great soldiers who lost their life in saving our nation.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है,